So hi guys, good morning, and today it's gonna be a review of iOS 10.2, which we recently got, and there are a lot of features which were added to it. We got some cool emojis to it. We got new TV app, and recently Nintendo made Pokemon Go official in India. Like earlier, it was not available in India, and you also got Super Mario with this, and let me just show you all those today. And yeah, let's go to this video. So hi guys, this is my iPhone 6s Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you the things we got in iOS 10.2. Like first thing I wanted to show you is that it's running on iOS 10.2, like you can see. We didn't get any storage expansions with this, like we got from 9 to 10. And yeah, I don't know, I didn't see any bugs so far in this version, because there were 7 beta versions before this. And yeah, so we have Pokemon Go here, like which I recently installed. It was made official in India like a week ago, I think. Then we got Super Mario, and this game is really good. Like it needs an internet connection to it, but once you have a better internet connection, is good. Right now my Wi-Fi is down, so I can't go inside and show you the gameplay. But it's coming right now. We'll see whether it comes. Okay, it just went off. Yeah, so here it is. This is the game itself. Like here you got this tour, and you know the thing about this is, like, first 3 missions you can play it just like that, but for the fourth one you have to purchase it. I think this is a downfall of this game, but they put a lot of work into this to bring this game again alive. So it's really worth it. And let me just show you the gameplay first. Just start it. Okay, my best. I'm not good in this game, by the way. Okay, so you will start like this. Yeah, it jumps over the small bombs easily, and you just long press it for a long jump. And this game is so easy this time. Like normal Mario's used to be a little difficult if you don't play well. And that's the little gameplay of that. Okay, let me just, okay, that's it. Let me just clear it up. And yeah, that's Super Mario. And now we'll move on to the emojis we got. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you this. Okay, this thing which is recently added to iMessages. Like if you type hi, and you can add expressions to it, like uh, first, like invisible blind is, like these are normal stuff, and you get this screen effect. Like I couldn't see, yeah, I couldn't see. First we got this balloons to it. You have to swipe to the right for the next effect. You got some cool show, and yeah, I got a heart symbol with this. And this is laser, and this is like fireworks, and this is the shooting star, and this, and you can just tap it to send it, and it just goes with the effect. Okay, so then basically there were a lot of emojis added to this update. So let me just show you. Like it's got cleans. Like earlier it was a little bit not good. Now, okay, so there we go. And you got a lot of extras managed to it. Like this one is new, if you can see. And we got a clown. You got this thing, I don't know what's it called, like Minecraft thing. And there are a lot of stuff added to this. The animals got crisper, and if you are an earlier iPhone user, you will know the difference. And you got a few other stuff. And cool thing is you got a selfie hand to it. Let me just show you there. Yeah, here, a hand with the selfie. And that's most of it. And you are in India, so I mean, if you are in India, You won't get the TV app which you get in US. That's pretty much it for iOS 2.0. Like, you don't have that many features added to it in India, just normal stuff. And yeah, thank you. So if you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe. And guys, I'm new to the review videos, so I'm just a beginner, so don't expect like too much of it, and I'm sure that I'll improve in the future. So thank you, that's it, bye. So yeah guys, I forgot to show you one thing, like this uh, cool wallpapers that I have. It's too fast, like yeah, see here, Assassin's Creed one, and earlier I had one Gohan one, and the background I have is like house or something like that. And these wallpapers are so good for an iPhone, and you can get this set, like we have apps like Wallpapers HD and Wallpapers. These two apps are really so good when you want a better wallpaper for you should basically like now it's like okay, so I don't know why we had a lot of celebrities there. And basically you have a lot of wallpapers which you get which are so good for this. And hope you check it out. And you got Super Mario and stuff added recently, so you get stuff added a lot to this, so do check it out. Thank you.